Happy Wednesday, everybody! It is Aly and I am back with another video. Woo! I am excited for this week's video. I have been working on it for a whole week and it's something different that I have not really done on my channel. Actually, it's like something that I've really never done. And I'm excited for y'all to see because this is something that I feel like I would have never done on my channel. Drum roll, please. Okay, the video that y'all are watching today is a review with a company and it is Calm by Wellness. It is a CBD company and it's something that I really have never thought I would ever do in my life, but here I am. A lot of y'all probably know what CBD is. CBD has been going around lately and a lot of dispensaries have been opening up around me. I live in Texas, but I've always been curious about like what the benefits were and like what people use it for, and I've known a lot of people that do use it. A lot of them use it for anxiety and sleep. So this one is for sleep. So first I am just going to talk about the benefits of CBD, and then I'm gonna get into more details about this product that they sent me. And then y'all watch my progress over a week time span, daily video journal of my journey with Calm by Wellness, the CBD sleep oil. And I included my mom as well in it because she uses melatonin to go to sleep. And I was like, well, this is all natural. I really want you to try it, see if it helps you because I feel like it'll benefit her a lot more. I will get her review also at the end of this video. We're gonna talk about the benefits of CBD. Some benefits, I'm on the Calm by Wellness website right now. And I'm just gonna read off the benefits for you guys. It relieves stress, reduces anxious feelings, relieves pain. It's recommended for athletes, anti-inflammatory, reduces discomfort, relieves nausea, promotes better sleep. So basically everything that you really want in some product that you are taking. So some really cool facts about this CBD, Calm by Wellness. Here, let me show y'all. There you go. So this is the one I'm taking. It's blueberry lavender sleep oil. And Calm by Wellness, they actually have a bunch of different products from dog treats to gummies to sleep oils, focus oils. You would never imagine, it's crazy. I never knew dogs would eat CBD treats, but they do because some dogs do have a lot of anxiety. So some facts about Calm by Wellness. It is organically harvested, 30-day satisfaction guarantee. So this bottle, it is a 30 milliliter bottle, is supposed to last a month because you only take 1 milliliter a day. And then if it doesn't work for you, you get your money back, so that's great. It's all natural ingredients. I'll read off the ingredients to you. There's lavender, chamomile, hops, lemongrass, hoe wood, orange, pine, and jasmine. And CBD. There's no THC in it at all, 100% THC free. And we had to make sure of that because I am only 17, so it is illegal for me to take any drugs or, you know, marijuana in Texas. THC is a chemical in marijuana and that gets you high. So this won't get you high at all. It's backed up by doctors. So there's farmers and doctors that have come together to create this product. They are out of Colorado, I believe, but their office is in California. Well, that's about it. That's all I had to really share with y'all. I just wanted to share with y'all some facts before I got into my daily video journal. And I hope you guys enjoy my feedback. Let's start this video. It is my first day taking Calm by Wellness CBD Blueberry Lavender Sleep Drops. And I have a special guest, my mom, because when I got contacted about doing this CBD brand deal video, I was like, oh my gosh, my mom has to take melatonin to go to sleep because I guess, why do you even take it?
I just have problems sleeping. My mind's always wandering. I'm always thinking.
Yeah, so she usually takes melatonin gummies before she goes to sleep. And I was like, well, that's not very natural and stuff. So CBD, they made it all natural. And I was like, maybe she can try it. And that'll be actually a really good test if she can get off of melatonin and she gets a good night's sleep without having to take medicine. We have to take 1 full dropper up to 1 hour before bed and adjust as needed. So we're gonna shake this up this much. There you go.
Oh, I'm so sleepy already.
Yeah.
Is it like a citrus flavor?
Mm-hmm.
Is there any flavor to it?
Mm-hmm.
What other flavors do they have?
I don't know if I like the flavor. Blueberry lavender.
Kind of oily tasting.
Well, it's CBD oil.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
I don't know if I like the taste.
I don't think anybody's too concerned about the taste.
Yeah, lavender is actually good for sleep. Like oils, essential oils. My mom uses lavender to put my baby cousin to sleep, and it actually works.
Lavender.
It's just very like soothing, I guess. That's it, and then we'll come back tomorrow and tell y'all how we felt the first day, because I feel like you can't really see results until a whole week. I'm gonna go a full week using this every single night. Okay, bye. Day 2 of taking the Calm by Wellness CBD drops for sleep. Last night I feel like I didn't really notice anything. My mom isn't here with me today because she already went to sleep. I still went to sleep at the time I go to sleep every night, and I didn't like feel more refreshed this morning. Ugh. I just don't like the taste, that's all. End of day 2. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Hi you guys, it is day 3 of taking Calm by Wellness CBD sleep oil. Last night I noticed, like, it's so weird. For some reason it's supposed to like make you sleep, but I feel like I've been waking up earlier. Like, I've been waking up before my alarm clock, I guess because you get such a deep sleep that you wake up earlier. I have no idea. Maybe that's like what it does, who knows. I'm like fluctuating everything to see what makes a difference and what doesn't. So I'm gonna take it before I take a shower and then see if it hits me a little bit like faster. The biggest thing I've noticed is like during the day I'm not fatigued. My mom, she is sick right now, so she's taking medicine like for her cough, like Mucinex and stuff. So she doesn't really want to take this CBD with it because the other thing is already making her sleep because it's nighttime medicine. So tomorrow she's gonna be done taking the medicine, and she was like, I'll try it tomorrow when I'm not taking any medicine at all. So we'll see if it really makes a difference for her when she's not on anything else other than just CBD. That was day 3. Okay. Hi. It is day 4 of taking Calm by Wellness. I have ACT tomorrow, so I need a good night's rest. I felt the same today that I did yesterday. It is really like, it's like 11 o'clock right now and I should be asleep, but I'm just like energized and I haven't been on today at all. I'm not feeling physically or emotionally drained whatsoever, so. Okay. It is day 5 of taking Calm by Wellness CBD drops, and I'm honestly kind of noticing something. Today I woke up at 7 a.m. for my ACT and I could not fall asleep, so I didn't go to sleep until like 12. I only got 7 hours, maybe less. But I wasn't tired the whole time, and I did not feel like I wanted to gouge my eyes out. That's good. And I'm still not tired, and it's like 11 o'clock and I've been non-stop today. Let's see. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Hi. Hi. It is day 6 and I finally got my mom back. She stopped taking medicine, so she's like the real guinea pig. I feel like she'll...
Supposed to do 1 drop or 2 drops? I think I need 2 drops.
I'm really supposed to do 1, but okay. Ew. You get used to it.
Not bad.
What I've noticed is that like...
We'll see how I feel tomorrow, because I wake up early all the time anyways.
Yeah.
So I usually wake up around 6:30 and I lay in bed for like a little bit before I get ready for work. I'm usually tired around lunchtime, or after lunchtime.
It just gives you like a deeper sleep. That's what I feel like it does.
Alright.
Okay,
Can't
bye.
wait.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, this is actually my last day taking this.
This is my third time taking this, but my second day in a row.
How did you feel yesterday?
Felt the same. Didn't feel anything different.
Did it feel like you slept harder?
Oh yeah, I did. I felt like I really slept hard because I woke up like my eyes were like I feel like they were glued shut.
Yeah.
I did 2 last night though.
You like it? That's all. I literally feel the same that I have, but today I was really sick. I did not feel well. I took a nap, and we'll see if this knocks me out, but I just took Tylenol too.
Bye. Bye.
All right, now that y'all have watched my daily video journal, I am here to give y'all a concrete review, and my mom is also here because she took it as well. And that was basically the whole question, if you could use it instead of melatonin. From what I have noticed using the Calm by Wellness CBD sleep oil is that I just feel like more energized. Like I feel like I have a harder sleep instead of feeling fatigued during the day. Like I still go to sleep at the same time. I still get the same amount of sleep. I just feel like it's a better sleep. It puts me in a deeper sleep.
Yeah.
That's what I've noticed, and I would suggest it to somebody because I do know some of my friends actually have insomnia and they can't sleep, and they haven't tried CBD because a lot of the dispensaries here you have to be 18, but you can get this online and it is legal for anybody under 18 because it is absolutely THC free.
For me, I actually took a double dose the last 2 nights. And I did notice I slept a lot harder than usual. I still wake up early because I think it's just my body clock that just makes me wake up. But I did sleep super hard. I can just tell because when I wake up, I feel like I have to peel my eyes open because I was sleeping so hard, which is kind of weird. It's different. As far as falling asleep right away, you know, I think that melatonin, when I take it, it's about the same effect, just slept a little bit harder on the CBD oil. In the middle of the day, I don't feel exhausted or anything. I mean, assuming that I eat a healthy lunch and all of that.
It just gives you more energy. And I don't think that's what CBD is supposed to do. I don't think the sleep oil is supposed to knock you out. It's supposed to make you feel and make your body to fall asleep better and deeper into a better sleep so that you feel naturally better and not melatonin where it knocks you out because it has the chemicals in there to knock you out.
Yeah.
But everything in here
that makes sense. I definitely tell people to try this out, see what they think, because for me it definitely helped. I'm looking forward to trying it out again tonight.
Well, perfect. Thank you for your input.
You're welcome.
Okay, well, thank you, Mom, for being in this video. Calm by Wellness, thank you for sending me the CBD sleep oil. I really appreciate it, and I am glad that I got to try this out to help others that have problems with sleep. I would promote this and recommend it to you guys to actually get it and buy it, because if you do have sleep problems and you feel like you're tired every day, you don't sleep hard enough, or you're not getting the sleep that you need, this is a great choice. Remember that Calm by Wellness has a 30-day satisfaction guarantee, so even if you don't like it, you'll get your money back. But if you do, just thank me in the end. You can use my link, I will put it in the description box below, to order your own CBD oil from Calm by Wellness, and you can scroll through all the other things that they have, and maybe you do have a dog that has anxiety and that needs some stress relief treats. Well, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked this review. I'll see you guys next week with a new video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified.